Know about thalassemia signs, symptoms, causes, and treatments. Thalassemia is a genetic inherited blood disorder characterized by abnormal hemoglobin production. Thalassemia can be mild, moderate to severe, resulting lower hemoglobin, may cause mild to severe anemia. Hemoglobin is the protein molecule in red blood cells that carries oxygen. If you have mild thalassemia, you may not need treatment. Thalassemia signs, symptoms depend upon the severity. But if you have a more severe form of the disorder, you may need regular blood transfusions. It is most common among people of Italian, Greek, Middle Eastern, South Asian, and African descent. What are the signs and symptoms of thalassemia? The signs and symptoms depend on the type and severity of your condition. Weakness and fatigue, pale or yellowish skin, bone deformities, especially in the skull and face. It makes bone marrow expanded, bones thin and brittle, increasing the risk of broken bones. Dark urine, enlarged spleen, delayed growth and development, short of breath, heart problems, congestive heart failure and abnormal heart rhythms may be associated with severe thalassemia. People with thalassemia may have an increased risk of infection. Cause of thalassemia. Thalassemia is caused by an abnormality or mutations in the gene of cells that make hemoglobin. Thalassemia is genetic inherited blood disorder is passed from parents to children. It disrupts the normal production of hemoglobin and healthy red blood cells, causes anemia. If only one of the parent is a carrier of thalassemia, you may develop a form of the disease known as thalassemia minor. If this occurs, you probably won't have thalassemia signs, symptoms, but you will be a carrier of the disease. Some people with thalassemia minor may develop mild symptoms. If both of your parents are carriers of thalassemia, you have a greater chance of inheriting a more serious form of the disease. How does thalassemia can affect pregnancy? Women with thalassemia may encounter fertility difficulties. If you have thalassemia, or if you carry a thalassemia gene, consider talking with a genetic counselor for guidance if you're thinking of having children. Pregnancy carries the following risk factors in women with thalassemia: high risk of infection, hypothyroidism, gestational diabetes, heart problems, low bone density. Types of thalassemia. There are two main types of thalassemia: alpha-alpha thalassemia and beta-beta thalassemia. The thalassemia is classified according to which chain of the hemoglobin molecule is affected. In alpha thalassemia, production of the alpha globin chain is affected, while in beta thalassemia, production of the beta globin chain is affected. Know about alpha thalassemia. 4 genes, 2 from each parent, are required to make alpha globin protein chains. When one or more genes are missing, it produces alpha thalassemia. The severity of thalassemia depends on how many genes are faulty. One faulty gene, the patient has no symptoms. A healthy person who has a child with symptoms of thalassemia is a carrier. This type is known as alpha thalassemia minima. 2 faulty genes, the patient has mild anemia. It is known as the alpha thalassemia minor. 3 faulty genes, the patient has hemoglobin H disease, a type of chronic anemia. 4 faulty genes, alpha thalassemia major is the most severe form of alpha thalassemia. It is known to cause hydrops fatalis with hemoglobin baths, a serious condition in which fluid accumulates in parts of the fetus body. Beta thalassemia. We need two globin genes to make beta globin chains, one from each parent. If one or both genes are faulty, beta thalassemia will occur. Beta thalassemia growth problems, bone abnormalities such as osteoporosis, and an enlarged spleen, the organ in the abdomen that plays a part in fighting infection. Severity depends on how many genes are mutated. One faulty gene, this is called beta thalassemia minor, patients may be relatively asymptomatic. Two faulty genes, there may be moderate or severe symptoms. This is known as thalassemia major, it may be intermediate. Beta thalassemia major is called Colles anemia. Diagnosis of thalassemia. Thalassemia can be diagnosed via a complete blood count, hemoglobin electrophoresis, and DNA testing. Perform DNA analysis to diagnose thalassemia or to determine if a person is carrying mutated hemoglobin genes. Treatments of thalassemia. Treatments will be depending upon your condition. Get check-up regularly by your doctor for proper treatments and follow your doctor's advice. With a mild case, you may not need treatment. If it is serious, you might have to get regular blood transfusions. How often you need blood transfusions can vary. Regular blood transfusions, they can cause too much iron in the blood. That can lead to problems with the heart, liver, and blood sugar. If you get transfusions, you and your doctor will talk about whether you need medicine that can help remove extra iron from your body. Sometimes, transfusions of blood cause high fever, chills, nausea, diarrhea and low blood pressure. In some condition, bone marrow transplant, remove the spleen or gallbladder may be needed. Follow your doctor advice and eat a healthy diet. The doctor may advise supplements like calcium and vitamin D. Don't take iron pills.
Our website, www.medihelp365.com. Find doctors, hospital, medical service provider info. Read medical article and lots more. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Medical Help 365 Days, to see medical related videos.